Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Side by Side Book 1. Chapter 5. Main Objectives. Short answers. Yes, no questions. Adjective possessive nouns.
1. Tall, short. 2. Young, old. 3. Heavy, fat, thin. 4. New, old. 5. Married, single. 6. Handsome, ugly. 7. Beautiful, pretty, ugly. 8. Large, big, small, little. 9. Noisy, loud, quiet. 10. Expensive, cheap. 11. Easy, difficult. 12. Rich, poor. 'Tall or short? Listen to the model.
Is Bob tall or short?
He's tall.
Is Bill tall or short?
He's short.
Do exercises 1 through 22. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Is Kate young or old?
She's young.
2.
Is Peggy young or old?
She's old.
3.
Is Howard heavy or thin?
He's heavy.
4.
Is Mike fat or thin?
He's thin.
5.
Is Howard's car new or old?
It's new.
6.
Is Mike's car new or old?
It's old.
7.
Is Gloria married or single?
She's married.
8.
Is Jennifer married or single?
She's single.
9.
Is Robert handsome or ugly?
He's handsome.
10.
Is Captain Crook handsome or ugly?
He's ugly.
11.
Is Vanessa beautiful or ugly? She's beautiful.
12.
Is Hilda pretty or ugly?
She's ugly.
13.
Is Robert's house large or small?
It's large.
14.
Is George's apartment big or little?
It's little.
15.
Are Kate's neighbors noisy or quiet? They're noisy.
16.
Are Peggy's neighbors loud or quiet? They're quiet.
17.
Is the food at the Plaza restaurant expensive or cheap?
It's expensive.
18.
Is the food at Burger Town expensive or cheap?
It's cheap.
19.
Are the questions in Chapter 5 easy or difficult?
They're easy.
20.
Are the questions in Chapter 17 easy or difficult?
They're difficult.
21.
Is Marvin rich or poor?
He's rich.
22.
Is Larry rich or poor?
He's poor.
Tell me about. Listen to the first model.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single.
Listen to the second model.
Tell me about your new car. Is it large?
No, it isn't. It's small.
Listen to the third model.
Tell me about your new neighbors. Are they quiet? No, they aren't. They're noisy.
Do exercises 1 through 10. You will hear the correct line after you speak. 1. We'll begin.
Tell me about your computer. Is it new?
No, it isn't. It's old.
2. We'll begin.
Tell me about your new boss. Is he young?
No, he isn't. He's old.
3. We'll begin.
Tell me about your neighbors. Are they noisy?
No, they aren't. They're quiet.
4. We'll begin.
Tell me about the Plaza restaurant. Is it cheap?
No, it isn't. It's expensive.
5. We'll begin.
Tell me about your brother. Is he tall? No, he isn't. He's short.
6. We'll begin.
Tell me about your sister. Is she single?
No, she isn't. She's married.
7. We'll begin.
Tell me about Nancy's cat. Is it pretty?
No, it isn't. It's ugly.
8. You begin.
Tell me about Ron and Betty's dog. Is it little?
No, it isn't. It's big.
9. You begin.
Tell me about the questions in your English book. Are they difficult?
No, they aren't. They're easy.
10. You begin.
Tell me about Santa Claus. Is he thin?
No, he isn't. He's heavy.
Is he old? Is it hot or is it cold? Talking side by side.
Is Bob tall or short?
He's tall.
Is Bill tall or short?
He's short.
All right. Who's next?
I am.
What's your name?
Lenny. Lenny Thomas.
Okay, Lenny Thomas, let's see what you can do. I'm going to give you some adjectives, and you're going to act them out. You got it?
Yes, I understand.
Good. Let's begin. Tall. Short. Young. Old. Heavy. Thin. Handsome. Ugly. Rich.
Let me see.
Poor. Large. Small. Noisy. Quiet. All right, that's all for today. Thank you, Benny.
Excuse me, it's Lenny. Lenny Thomas.
Okay, Lenny, thank you. Next.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single.
Tell me about your new car. Is it large?
No, it isn't. It's small.
Tell me about your new neighbors. Are they quiet?
No, they aren't. They're noisy. Hello?
Hi, Neil. It's Mom.
Oh, hi, Mom. How are you?
We're fine. Dad and I are thinking about you. We're wondering how you're doing there.
Well, everything's fine, Mom. Everything's great.
Tell me about your apartment. Is it large?
Well, it isn't very large, but it isn't very small. It's a really great apartment.
Is it new?
No, it isn't new, Mom. In fact, it's very, very old. But it's really nice and it's cheap.
That's good. And how about your neighbors?
My neighbors?
Yes. Are they noisy or quiet?
They're very quiet. It's a very quiet building.
That's nice. And tell me about your new job.
My new job is great.
Is the work easy or difficult?
It's difficult, but very interesting.
So you're happy there?
Very happy.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, Neil, I'll say goodbye now. Just remember, your dad and I are thinking about you.
Thanks for calling, Mom. Speak to you soon.
Goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
And now it's time to play the world's favorite game show, What's That Word? And here's the world's favorite game show host, Rich Young.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, and welcome to another edition of What's That Word? Let's meet our two contestants. First, let's say hello to Lisa Long.
Hi, everybody.
Lisa, welcome to What's That Word? Tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Long Beach, California.
And now let's meet our other contestant. Let's say hello to Larry Little.
Hi, Rich. Hi, everybody.
Larry, welcome to What's That Word? Tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas.
Okay, Lisa and Larry, it's time to play What's That Word? I'll say a word, and you press your buzzer and say the opposite. The contestant who says the most opposite words correctly wins the game and gets $100 for each correct word. Are you ready, Lisa and Larry?
Yes, I am.
Ready, Rich?
Then let's begin. Young. Old. That's correct, Larry. Handsome.
Ugly.
That's right, Lisa. Noisy.
Loud.
Sorry, Larry.
Quiet.
Good, Lisa. Married.
Single.
That's correct. Big.
Little.
Correct. Thin.
Heavy.
That's right. Our score is even. Lisa, you have $300, and Larry, you have $300. Are you ready for the last word?
Ready.
And the last word is cheap.
Expensive.
Congratulations, Lisa. You're the winner. Lisa, you'll continue with our bonus round in just a moment. Larry, let's listen to what we have for you.
Larry, for playing What's That Word? You're going home with $300. And to help you with those opposites, we're also giving you a copy of the Malinsky and Bliss Portable Pocket Dictionary.
Larry, we're sorry to have to say goodbye. Thanks for playing What's That Word? And now, Lisa, it's time for the bonus round. You have 15 seconds. I'll give you a word and you say the opposite word as quickly as you can. For each correct opposite, you get another $100. Are you ready, Lisa?
Yes, I am.
Then let's begin. Short.
Tall.
Poor.
Rich.
Small.
Large.
Ugly.
Beautiful.
Fat.
Go to the next one.
Difficult.
Easy.
Single.
Married.
Lisa, listen to what you won.
Lisa, you have 6 correct opposites. That's another $600. Your grand total today is $1,000.
Well, Lisa, you're our big winner today. How do you feel?
Happy, very happy.
Well, folks, that's all for today. Remember, whether you're young or old, rich or poor, tall or short, married or single, you're all welcome here on What's That Word? I'm your host, Rich Young, saying goodbye for now. See you next time.
What's That Word is a side-by-side television production.
How to say it. Calling someone you know on the telephone. Listen.
Hello?
Hello. Is this Julie?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Julie. This is Anna.
Hi, Anna.
How's the weather today? Listen and repeat.
It's sunny.
It's cloudy.
It's raining.
It's snowing.
It's hot.
It's warm.
It's cool.
It's cold.
The weather is terrible here. Listen.
Hi, Jack. This is Jim. I'm calling from Miami.
From Miami? What are you doing in Miami?
I'm on vacation.
How's the weather in Miami? Is it sunny?
No, it isn't. It's raining.
Is it hot?
No, it isn't. It's cold.
Are you having a good time?
No, I'm not. I'm having a terrible time. The weather is terrible here.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Complaining 'cause we're side by side.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Oh, good.
No, it's cloudy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait a minute. It's raining.
It's raining? It's raining? It's raining.
Wait. I'm sorry, it isn't raining.
Oh, it isn't raining. Well, that's good.
It's snowing.
It's snowing?
Yes.
Okay. I like snow.
Oh, wait a minute. It isn't snowing anymore.
It isn't?
No, it's hot.
It's hot?
Yes, it's very hot.
Okay. It's hot.
Well, maybe it isn't hot. It's warm.
Oh. It's warm. Okay.
You know, it isn't very warm. It's cool.
You know, it isn't very warm. It's cool.
I'm sorry, I'm wrong. It isn't cool. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yes, it's very cold.
First it's sunny, then it's cloudy, then it's raining. Now it's snowing, then it's hot, then it's warm, then it's cool, now it's cold.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hi, Jack. This is Jim. I'm calling from Miami.
From Miami? What are you doing in Miami?
I'm on vacation.
How's the weather in Miami? Is it sunny?
No, it isn't. It's raining.
Is it hot?
No, it isn't. It's cold.
Are you having a good time?
No, I'm not. I'm having a terrible time. The weather is terrible here.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Now, here's the World Weather Update from Side by Side TV News with Side by Side meteorologist Maria Hernandez.
Hello, everybody. It's a very interesting day today for weather around the world. It's sunny in Mexico. It's cloudy in Canada. Here in England, it's raining. And today in Japan, it's snowing. And look at that temperature in Brazil. 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. It's hot. It's warm today in Italy. The temperature there is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. It isn't warm in Australia. 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. It's cool. And it's cold today in Russia. The temperature there is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. Now here's the weather in other parts of the world. And that's the World Weather Update from Side by Side TV News. I'm Maria Hernandez. Have a nice day.
Dear Mother, I'm writing from our hotel at Sludge Beach. Ralph and I are on vacation with the children for a few days. We're happy to be here, but to tell the truth, we're having a few problems. The weather isn't very good. In fact, it's cold and cloudy. Right now, I'm looking out the window, and it's raining cats and dogs. The children aren't very happy. In fact, they're bored and they're having a terrible time. Right now, they're sitting on the bed, playing tic-tac-toe and watching TV. The restaurants here are expensive, and the food isn't very good. In fact, Ralph is at a clinic right now. He's having problems with his stomach. All the other hotels here are beautiful and new. Our hotel is ugly, and it's very, very old. In fact, right now a repair person is fixing the bathroom sink. So, Mother, we're having a few problems here at Sludge Beach, but we're happy. We're happy to be on vacation, and we're happy to be together. See you soon. Love, Ethel. Listening. What's the answer? Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
Tell me about your apartment.
2.
Tell me about your new car.
3.
Tell me about your new neighbors.
4.
How's the weather?
5.
Tell me about your hotel.
6.
How's the food at the restaurant?
'True or false? Listen to the conversation. Then answer true or false. You will hear the conversation twice.
Hello?
Hello. Is this Betty?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Betty. This is Louise. I'm calling from Mud Beach.
From Mud Beach?
Yes. I'm on vacation in Mud Beach for a few days.
How's the weather in Mud Beach?
It's terrible. It's cold and it's cloudy.
Cold and cloudy? What a shame. How's the hotel?
The hotel is terrible. It's old, it's noisy, and the rooms are very small.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me about the restaurants.
The restaurants in Mud Beach are expensive, and the food isn't very good. In fact, I'm having problems with my stomach.
What a shame. So, Louise, what are you doing?
I'm sitting in my room and I'm watching TV. I'm not having a very good time.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Pronunciation. Yes/no questions with or. Listen, then say it.
Is Bob tall or short? Is Kate young or old? Are they noisy or quiet? Is it hot or cold?
Say it. Then listen.
Is the car new or old? Are you married or single? Is it sunny or cloudy? Are they large or small?
End of chapter 5.